This video is Dane's Golly vlog because it's a video created in the morning with Dane's Golly pa. Hindi pa tayo naliligo, secret to sa mga kano. What? Hello, what's up, fellow kickers? I'll be making an English vlog again for those who watch me on the international version of this world. I'll be posting this on GCN and other international groups to only understand English speaking people. By the way, I have other videos related on this frame, or I mean this bike, like my other videos on kit monsters. Okay, you can see it on my video collections on my YouTube. Okay, by the way, this bike is once used by our famous favorite Filipino blogger only once on his ride. Okay, but this time this frame is coupled with a different group set in it. Okay, it has the same frame on its bike, but of different group set. Okay, this video file is, this bike is provided by us by Bikeman. Okay, I would like to thank Bikeman for allowing me to make videos for this one of a kind bike. Okay, this video is Dane's Golly vlog because it's a video created in the morning with Dane's Golly pa. Hindi pa tayo naliligo, secret to sa mga kano ating vlog. Bali, okay, we'll start with the tour bike check of this amazing bike. Okay, let's start now. Again, the cockpit, which is composed of the headset, the handlebar, and the seat posts. It's a brand of heat-treated alloys. Okay, for the handle grip, it has a coal silicone grip. As you can see, it's ABR, as I said later. Okay, it's a great form for XC riding. Okay? This, by the way, this bike is for XC ride. Yeah, Tagalog yun. And we'll go to the main part of the bike, which is the frame. It is a kit monster Master Boost 29er. As you can see, the creation of the frame is so beautiful. If you want to see or to hear the introduction of the something about kit, I have that on other videos regarding kit. That's the top tube. It's raining when I'm making the video, so I make punas the bike after taking the video. Okay, for its specific size, it's small, and alloy used on it, this is alloy 7005, which is different from other alloys. And for the fork, it's a RockShox Judy Boost. Okay, Boost with manual lockout and a travel of 100 millimeter. It's air fork, and they call the axle Maxxis light through axle on its axle through axle. Okay, axle coupled on the fork. When you buy the fork, is coupled with that axle, which they call Maxxis. That's on the other side of the fork. Whoa! As you can see, the hole, it's a true axle, unlike the other quick release, which is so small of a hole. I mean, no hole, but a big hole for a true axle. We have the tire, which is Maxxis Justin Bieber 29 2.0, which is a tubeless ready just Bieber, not Justin Bieber. It's a Beaver, Maxxis Beaver. Okay, 29 by 2.0 in the front and on the rear side. For the group set, we have a Deore, Shimano Deore M6000. Okay, when we say group set, it composed of the braking mechanism and the gears, the shifters with which runs the bike or the drivetrain. That's the group set. Okay, it's a 10-speed Deore M6000. The cogs, the chain, the rear derailleur. By the way, the crank is has a crank length of 175 millimeters. Yeah, that's the crank, which is 175 millimeters of length. Oh, by the way, the fins, for that model, it has fins on the brake pads. Okay, for the hubs, it traction boosted alloy hubs. That's a 32 holes and 6 pau. And for the saddle, it's a Cobra. Okay, that will be our bike check of the day. Okay, that will be all for now, fellow kickers. In Tagalog, it is Kasipa. Okay, I'll be making random videos on English in Tagalog for our stateside consumers, if there is any. Okay. Okay. Shout out to our fellow kickers, J Presentacion. Future kicker. He will be someday, he'll be purchase a bike, but for now he's still watching and still preparing for big purchase. Okay, ride safe always. In the future you'll be somehow bike commuting. See you on the road, fellow kickers. English Pala si Batman. Peace.